Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming stitch count and tension along the uneven edges. This immediately tells you how far off you are. Once done, block the blanket lightly to relax the fabric, because fibers shift and even out when damp. Make sure to choose an edge finish, single crochet or crab stitch, and pick the same hook for that border to avoid tension changes. Then, find the high and low points and mark them with stitch markers so you can correct systematically. You now fix and balance by working along the edge rows. Where the blanket dips, add a half or full stitch by making an extra single crochet or an increase. Where it bulges, decrease with SC2 tog or a slip stitch decrease. As you proceed row by row, lay a straight ruler or blocking wire against the edge to see progress, because visual alignment beats counting alone. If pattern repeats affect width, adjust at the pattern repeat boundary so the texture remains consistent and the edge stays neat. You finish by applying a uniform border of 2 to 3 rounds, which stabilizes any remaining unevenness and gives a clean frame. Use the same hook size throughout to avoid roll. Once the border is complete, block the entire blanket fully and let it dry flat for about 24 hours to set the shape. If things still look skewed, rework only the border or the last few edge rows rather than ripping the whole blanket. That targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.